All right, we're going to start our first semester final review. This is page 1, and we're going to do questions 1 through 6. The first question on our final review is just to solve the equation, so I'm going to subtract 9x from both sides, and I get 3x minus 7 is equal to 13. Adding 7 to both sides, I get 3x equals 20. Dividing by 3, I get x is 6 2/3. On question number 2, I'm going to distribute first, giving me 2x plus 3 plus 38 equals 10x. And again, on this side, I have to distribute, so I'm going to get negative 4x plus 8. Negative times negative is positive. I'm going to put my like terms together, and I get 6x plus 8 on that side. I'm going to subtract 2x, and I'm going to have 44 equals 4x plus 8. Minusing the 8 from both sides, I get 36 equals 4x, so x equals 9. For question number 3, I want to, like the hint says, multiply by my common denominator of 10 to get rid of the fractions. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 2 times my numerator gives me 4x. 10 divided by 10 is 1. 1 times the top is 3. And same deal on that one. Subtracting 3 from both sides, I get 4x equals 8. X equals 2. Moving down to question 4. Again, we have some fractions. My common denominator is going to be 12. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 times my numerator gives me 9x. Minus 12 divided by 6 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. And 12 times the 1 on the other side gives me 12. Solving that thing, I'm going to add 4 to both sides. I get 9x equals 16. Dividing by 9 gives me 16 ninths, or 1 7/9. For question number 5, we have an absolute value. Remember, there's going to be two answers here, one where it's positive, or one when it's negative. Solving this thing, I'm going to subtract 7 from both sides. I get x equals 51. Or, distributing, I get negative x minus 7 equals 58. Adding 7, I get negative x equals 65. Multiplying both sides by negative 1 gives me negative 65. And the last one on this section is this absolute value. Before we split it, we need to get the absolute value by itself. And so I get 2x minus 3, absolute value of equals 7. Now I can split it into two equations, one where it's positive and one when it's negative. So I'm going to write like that. Solving this, I'm going to add 3. I get 2x equals 10, which is x equals 5. On this one, I'm going to distribute the negative, giving me negative 2x plus 3 equals 7. Negative 2x equals 4. X equals negative 2. So there's our two answers for that.